Yadik Lightning getting ready for his match against Hardcore Icon. So Yadik Lightning was kind of upset because he wasn't in the Elimination Chamber event yet, since he is the number 3 contender for the United States Championship. He wants to face the number 1 contender, Hardcore Icon. So let's see what happens tonight on the Icon show on Raw to see if Yadik Lightning will defeat the Hardcore Icon. He will be having the Thunder in his corner, and Youngblood, the new Hardcore champion, will be at Hardcore Icons. Here comes Lightning.
Accompanied by Thunder, approaching the ring from Mexico, Lightning. And his opponent, accompanied by Youngblood from the Caribbean, Angel Perez.
So now we have the Hardcore Icon versus Yadik Lightning. And even though the number 1, number 2 contenders are the Hardcore Icon and Youngblood, Lightning is trying to find out how to get through both of them to become number 1 contender.
So here we go with this one-on-one match. You can win by pinfall, submission, or scoring or disqualification. I don't know about you, but I've really been looking forward to this. European uppercut. Uh-oh. If you're just joining us, welcome to Monday Night Raw. I'm Michael Cole, alongside the Hall of Famer Jerry, the King Lawler. Watch it. WWE Magazine out this month, and you'll find some interesting articles in there about all the superstars here in the WWE. Uh-oh. Oh, man. He got turned into tab. Now that's how you do it. I have a strong feeling that these guys will throw caution to the wind and just go full steam ahead. Yow! These competitors will always be looking to unleash their finishing maneuver. And when that happens, the complication of the match can change in a heartbeat. Sleeper hold, putting pressure right around the neck. Bang! And he fights out of it. He breaks the hold. Ah! Wow! That type of speed is so hard to contain. Oh, look out! There's a seasoned counter by the hardcore one. How the heck do you get up from that? We're going to see a lot of effective moves like that in this match. Just popping the jaw. Whoa! Then he fights his way out. What a vile and vicious chokehold. Watch it. And he powers out. And the boot connects with the abdomen.
Whoa!
Oh, and he lands that one right to the head. Oh, did you see the head snap back? Uh-oh, this is bad. It's matches like this that make Monday Night Raw the hottest show on cable TV. What's he planning here? And you're watching the longest running weekly episodic television show in history. This is Monday Night Raw. Knee lift. Nice, well-placed kick to the ribs. Down here. Look past the ring at the thousands and thousands of WWE fans in attendance. Each and every one of them are having a great time tonight. Big move coming. He's changed places. These superstars looking for a victory, looking to build momentum. Oh! And Maverick has the wherewithal to avoid taking any damage. Look at this! Look at this! Look at the athleticism on display there. A move like that is pretty dangerous for anyone involved. He's draining the energy out of his opponent here. And there's a great move by Maverick. Hey now! And he wills his way out. A fever pitch is here in the WWE Universe. Oh, no! What an incredible suplex. Boy, he's really done his homework for this match. Huge shot to the temple. Watch this! And now, looking to put him away. Submission locked in tight. This could do it. Well, the longer he stays in, good job getting to the ropes there. WWE fans watching this match all around the world.
Tangga na.
Maverick counters it. What a match. Look at this.
Whoa, tremendo.
You can see him struggling to stand after all the damage he's taken.
Roma.
And again he exits the ring. Piston fire for the hardcore one. Look at the pressure. You can see it in his face. The agony. Ah! And he escapes the hold. Watch it. Oh, nice counter. Yeah. A textbook suplex. Got him down for the pin.
Whoa,
And the
whoa.
hardcore icon answers back.
Whoa. Youngblood hitting Thunder now outside the ring.
Shoulders down. Uh-oh. Yadik controlling the waist. This guy's just getting worn out. Oh, look out! Hold it up. And this has got to be it. These athletes seem to have tried everything in their playbook. Uh-oh. There's more in their arsenal. I promise you that. I don't know what it is, but they'll find it. Oh, gosh. The ref's not going to tolerate much more of this. Get out! Get out!
Oh, Youngblood's been banned from ringside.
One, two, three. Maverick wins.
Yadik Lightning had a great hold on at the end of the match.
Emotional victory here tonight. And oh man, what a battle!
Tremenda victoria.